Okay, today we are going to make a dado on our 2x6, and we have some 2x4 back here. Deselect duct fur. We're going to make a shelf that is going to mount on the wall, and it's going to put heavy hardware pieces. So we're gonna do this particular application to make this thing plenty strong enough to hold the weight of these hardware displays. So what we did first, here's my dado set right here. You can see it's just a stacked dado set, 6-inch. If you add all these up, you have eighth, and then the outside blade is another eighth. That's 3/4 of an inch. So I did a trial fit first to see if that was going to work on the plywood. Let's see, it would be this side here. And this was a little tight, so it didn't fit. So what we do, they give you several sizes of these shims here, and you just put the appropriate one in there between the last chipper and the outside blade. And I added that piece in there, and now we have a really nice fit. See, that's exactly what we want. So we're going to run one right now, and we'll show you how this works. So we're going to put our throat in for our dado set. I made a mark here already, so I know exactly where I want. I want the dado to be 3/4 of an inch by 1/2 inch high. And I just, if you just, basically when you start here, just put your tape down there, measure 1/2 inch, and then you can just fine tune it up and down with your table saw. So here we go. Check that for fit. It's going to be a little bit tight, but it will go. There we go. And we'll show you the final product once we get it completed.